Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Deel payouts to your bank in the USA step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Deel account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the payouts section on the left-hand menu. Click on payouts to view your most recent transactions. Identify the payout you wish to withdraw to your bank. Click on the payout amount to proceed. Next, select the option to withdraw funds. You will be prompted to choose your bank account. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, click on Add Bank Account. Enter your bank details, ensuring all information is accurate. Confirm your bank account by providing any necessary verification. Return to the withdrawal screen. Here, confirm the amount you want to withdraw. Review the withdrawal details carefully. Once everything looks correct, click on Withdraw. You will receive a confirmation message once the request is submitted. Withdrawals typically take a few business days to process. Check your bank account regularly for the funds. If you encounter any issues during the process, reach out to Deel's support team for assistance. Now you know how to withdraw from Deel payouts to your bank in the USA. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.